morning students, welcome to online teaching session of Academic World School Vivitra. As we have already gone through editorial letters, inquiry letters and our placing order letters, today we will be going to do our complaint letters. We all, when we get defective orders, delayed orders or incomplete order, or sometimes the quantity of the good is also not good, or the misbehavior of staff in some office or anywhere, or you want to write to authority about the maintenance of services or goods or whatever, you write a complaint letter. Now for that again, all of you take out your notebooks and pen and get ready for the complaint letter. And many more other things are there for which we write complaint letter to the company or to any authority. Now in complaint letter again the same format, address, sender's address, date in proper date format, and recipient address, designated person, then the name of the whatever, it could be company or whatever, and area, town, and then subject, very precise, salutation, and then your body of the letter. Now body of the letter consists 3 paragraphs, para 1, para 2 and para 3. First paragraph is you have to describe the problem in brief. You have to tell the person what the problem is. You bought something and you want to mention it. So you start your paragraph on 2nd March 2020. We received an order or whatever over here. Okay. Or you can say this is to bring into your kind notice that I am facing this and this problem. You have to mention the problem. First paragraph, because we have to go in first paragraph, we have to just introduce the problem, nothing else. But comes the second paragraph. Second paragraph will be about the details of the problem, what problem occurred in the first paragraph. Second paragraph will include all the key details, the thing good you are talking about or the services you are talking about, the date of purchase or when you purchase that good or when the services you were provided, or when the problem occurred, where the problem, if it is about the services, where the problem occurred, where the misbehavior occurred, that you have to mention. And if you are talking about the good or equipments or something, you have to mention the purchase bill, date and all those things. Okay, whatever relevant data is there, that you have to mention over here. Then our second, then comes the one more point is there. In second paragraph also you have to mention what action is being taken by your side to resolve the problem. Obviously you must have gone to the shopkeeper or to store manager or to whoever, and you must have requested him to resolve the problem, and it must not have been resolved. That's why you are writing to the company. Okay. Now third paragraph. Third paragraph will be about action you are expecting from the person to whom you are writing the letter, complaint letter. You have to ask for response within a reasonable time, within this and this. Okay. For that I am mentioning here, I have given some opening statements for the third paragraph. You can start the third paragraph where I request you to undertake a quick action about this and this, or you can say I look forward to your reply, and you can further go ahead, or you can say I hope you will try your best. Okay. Then again it will be what? You will try. You are hoping, you are expecting that the person whom you are writing the letter, he will be doing his best. Okay. This will be the end of the third paragraph. Then your signature line, yours truly or yours faithfully, yours sincerely, and the name. The name will be the same which is given in the question. I am continuously repeating the same thing that some of you are still in habit of writing your own name. No, you have to write the name which is given in the question. Right? This is done. These paragraphs are clear. You have to follow the rules, general rules of writing format. All the whole letter should be in the proper format. Proper formal language, polite language, no contractions, nothing. This is done. Now, after this, we are going to do our article writing. Next topic is, subtopic is article writing. Okay, now obviously A comes and, or we can say 100 to 150 words. And marking scheme for article writing is, first I will give you the format of article writing, so I will be telling you how the marking scheme goes. Heading, then byline. Here you have to mention the name of the writer, okay, which is given in the question itself. Then comes your body of the article. Post para. Then again, leaving one line space, again one line space, second para, which will be detail of the article. Again one line space, and then third para. Then now, when we write the article, you write editorial letter regarding something, some issue or something. In the same way, we write article. You feel nowadays youngsters are falling prey to junk food, and you feel like writing something about this in your school magazine or something in newspaper. You write about it. You write about girls' education, girl child education. You want to talk about students or most probably youngsters. Again, they are being targeted towards the advertisement. Okay, nowadays we are observing many advertisements are there which are targeting youngsters, young generation. You can mention that the menace of mobile. You can write an article about it. So many things are there, so many important things are, burning issues are there in the society, in the country, overall globe, across the globe, which you can write the article about. So we write the article for that. Now, the marking scheme is heading, half marks, writer, half mark, content, 4 mark, and expression, 3 marks. Got it? So now you got it, how important it is for you to write heading and to write byline. Obviously byline is the by and then the name of the writer over here. Is it clear to all of you? Right? Now I'll mention some steps which you have to follow, which you should follow while writing the article. Instructions are again the same. Avoid contractions. Avoid barrage of words. Barrage of words is when for the sake of the length of the article you increase it. You simply write anything, whatever comes to your mind and you write it. Avoid that. Stick to the point only. Then avoid getting deviate from the topic, whatever the topic about, because what happened, you get away from the topic. You start writing with one idea leads to another, the second idea leads to third, then third to fourth. In this way what happened, we are getting deviated from the main topic, whatever our main topic is. Done? This is clear? Now I will be telling you paragraph wise how we are to write the first paragraph, the second paragraph and then the third paragraph. I am giving you the instructions only for that. I hope you all are writing. Okay. First thing, heading should be very clear. Eye-catching. Engaging. It should be. And it should not be in a complete sentence. We never use a complete sentence for our heading. Okay, it should be eye-catching, engaging, and make sure that we are not making any error in our heading. Because obviously heading is only for 4 to 5 words. That's all, not more than that. Okay, then your byline, whatever the person. Now comes para 1. In para 1 is what? Para 1 is what the article about. Okay. So you start this para with quotation. Keep some quotations handy related to nature, education, anything. Whatever quotations of famous people come to you can grasp. You just grab them, write somewhere and keep them handy. So what happens when it is the time for you to solve, you can use it. So start your, if you can, you start your this first paragraph with quotation. And if it happens that you don't know any quotation, then you can start with a strong statement. Or if you do have some data, you can mention that data, you can start with the data. Or a frightful fact. Again, this first statement, this first sentence is very important in the first paragraph, which catches the attention of the reader, which makes the reader to get immersed in your writing. Okay, this is done. I am giving you some examples. Recently, I am giving you one or two examples of first statements. A news was heard, okay, or we can say in the fast changing scenario, then you can write anything, or we can say psychologists and sociologists claim that, you can continue with anything. Okay, this is done. Para 2. Para 2 is about the causes. If you are talking about some burning issue, the causes about that burning issue, or if you are talking any general topic, then you can mention that topic. You can give the detail of the topic by giving some data, by giving some examples to justify your writing. The effects, repercussion, present state of affairs. That means what issue you have already introduced here, that you have to explain here what is the present state of that issue now in the second paragraph. Okay, so we can say second paragraph is about this problem what, so what. Right? In second paragraph, we can start second paragraph. I am giving you few sentences like we need to pause and ponder. We can start with this second paragraph. I am talking about this second paragraph. Okay. Or we can say as we are heading then you can say something else. Forest is a gift of nature to God, gift of God to mankind. If we are talking about deforestation or something related to forest, that time you can use this kind of sentence. And you can again, if something else is there, we are talking about some other issue one which is related to the nature, you can change this word with that. Right? Now, para 3. Para 3 is what the article about? So what? What is the present situation? Okay. What is the present situation? Now, third para is now what? That means now what you are expecting. you have to make a call of action. You have to make a call of action in this paragraph. So for making that, we can do one thing. I'll give you two sentences, two only, for example only. Okay. With that, we will be making. We are going to make the readers to do this, to take the steps now, or we will not get the time later on. Okay. Now, it could be, it is now or never. It could be about anything. The need of our, or the urgent need of our is whatever. Okay. Is it clear? Article writing. First para. Article starts with heading, right? Then byline, by with the name of the writer. Half marks, and then all 7 marks. First para, you have to mention what the article is about. Okay, so we can say, you can start your para with a quotation or strong statement or any practical fact. Okay, with this, and then you start paragraph and introduce the topic, what the topic is about, what the article is about. Then comes your second para. Second para is about causes, if we are talking about some burning issue or its effects, repercussion, what is the present state of affair, or what is the present state of this problem or this issue now in this second para. Okay, I have given you certain opening statements over here, you can use your own as well. Then third para, this is so what, and the third para is now what you were expecting from the people, from the government, from the whole. Okay. Here it should be, you have to conclude your article. So in this conclusion, you have to either give warning, make an appeal, or you can even, it's kind of a call of action. So in that way only you have to write these sentences. So you can start with, it is now or never. The urgent need of our is to take steps by an individual or by all of us, or anything. You can write anything, you can continue with anything. It depends upon the topic we are talking about, writing about. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Now we will solve one article. As usual, your article writing is also left alignment. It has to be on left alignment. Okay, as I told you, our CBSE favors block format, so it has to be on the left side only. Nobody will leave space or make an alignment and write the paragraph. No. Okay, we'll start one question. I'm going to solve over here. If you can write your own sentences while doing with me, along with me, you write your own sentences. That would be better. So, question we can say, you decide to write an article for your school magazine about or on save planet, save the planet, Earth in 100 150 words. You are Sonal Somesh. Okay. Fine. Now we are going to start our article. What is the topic? Save planet. Save the planet Earth. Byline. By who is the author? I am Sonal. Sonal. So leave one line space here, then one line space here, then left alignment, and then start our article. This is a cause of great concern across the globe. What topic is this about? Your save the planet Earth. We humans or we can say recently it is observed that there is a sudden rise in temperature by 40%. Okay, now second para. So I told you second paragraph would be about, we can start our second para with anything. Okay. Right. We humans are solely responsible for this disaster. We humans are responsible. Okay. Our lifestyle has brought many changes in the environment. Okay. Deforestation, toxic waste, vehicular pollution, etc. have increased and whatever comes to your mind, visualize, think about, just give 2 minutes before attempting and then write about those things. Okay, now we can go many more things. Then again give 1 line space and then the third paragraph. Third paragraph, it is now or never. We humans need to take steps to improvise the situation the urgent need of our is conducting awareness programs with the help of students, NGOs, and you can mention anyone's name, and then you can also mention that if we will no, right. For this, we need to change our lifestyle as well to go back the way the earth was given to us. Okay, with this you can conclude, you can finish up some of your what they say, article writing. Is it clear? Article writing, your what they say, half marks, and then 7 marks, this 8 marks altogether. This done. Now your assignment for complaint letter and article writing is already uploaded in ERP. So only my request is, as you are at home, you are safe to solve those assignments, and very immediately in 1 day or 2 days time you just submit them. Okay, and as these assignments are part of periodic test 1, assessment of periodic test 1, so those marks will be included in that. Okay, have a nice day. See you next. And next session is about